If N1, N2 and N3 represents the fundamental frequencies of three segments into which a string is divided, then the original fundamental frequency N of the string can be expressed as. Okay. So here we know that the equation provided describe the fundamental frequencies N1, N2 and N3 for three segments of a string, along with the overall fundamental frequency N of the entire string is given by, we can write it as, that is 1 by N is equal to 2L divided by under root of T divided by mu. Then, since L is equal to L1 plus L2 plus L3, we can write that one as 1 by N is equal to 2 times L1 plus L2 plus L3 whole divided by under root of T divided by mu. We can write separately this one as 2 times L1 divided by under root of T by mu plus 2L2 divided by under root of T by mu plus 2L3 divided by under root of T by mu. Then we can write this one as 1 by N1 plus 1 by N2 plus 1 by N3. Then we can say option A is the right answer.